Hello, viewers. So, good morning to all of you. And now, is it like maybe nine o'clock? Okay. So today I wanna tell you one great thing which happened with me yesterday. Okay. So that is the I say what I felt yesterday. That is the bad thing for me, but I learned something from that. Okay. So now I want to start what happened with me yesterday and why I'm telling you this story. So yesterday my one friend called me and I talked with him. Okay, I talked with him. So what happened? He said to me, we will talk about one topic. Okay. So he said to me, do you want to talk with me this topic? And he gave it me that time, one topic on about grammar, because nowadays I'm teaching grammar. Okay. So that time what happened, I want to tell you in Hindi. उस टाइम जैसे उसने मुझे बोला एंड सडनली आई जज माई सेल्फ, मैंने तुरंत ही अपने आप को जज किया. लाइक आई डोंट नो आई एम कैपेबल टू डिस्क्राइब एंड नो नॉट, like I don't know if that people judge me and that person judge me like what I am doing. And so suddenly it's happened with me. I feel so much fear and like ऐसा महसूस हुआ कि पता नहीं मैं वो टॉपिक डिस्क्राइब कर पाऊँगी या नहीं कर पाऊँगी. एंड आई सेड टू हिम दैट टाइम like I don't like grammar. This is truth. I'm telling you truth. Okay. So मैंने वहाँ पर कहा I don't like grammar. So he said to me, oh, when you were making videos, so I understand that thing like you don't know grammar. Okay. But after I talked with him before, like continuously 1 hour. Okay. So after hang up that call, I understand like why I said that thing to him. Like really, I'm not capable to describe that topic, and just on that particular situation, like I judge myself. So this is the biggest fear, like we have. हम हमेशा अपने आप को जज करते हैं while doing anything. हमें ये लगता है कि I don't know, like we are weak and we are something, we are not capable to describe that thing. Suddenly it's happened like whenever we feel anything, so suddenly it's happened like we felt like I'm not capable to describe that thing. So इतना बड़ा फेयर, और मैंने अपने आप को कल जब समझा दैट टाइम आई अंडरस्टैंड माई सेल्फ. लाइक मैं उस समय वो टॉपिक बहुत अच्छे से डिस्क्राइब कर सकती थी, बट सडनली क्या हुआ, मैंने अपने आप को जज किया, और उस जज करने के कारण मैं वहाँ पर यानी मेरे माइंड ने एक ऐसा केमिकल रिलीज़ किया जिसको कहते हैं फेयर वाला केमिकल. ओके. और उस समय मैं हेजिटेट हो गई, मैंने अपने आप को जज कर लिया और मैंने वहाँ पर कुछ नहीं कहा. सीधे मेरे माइंड ने एक मुझे सजेशन दिया, कह दो कि आई डोंट लाइक ग्रामर. एंड वो ट्रू है, मुझे ग्रामर पसंद नहीं है, बट इट्स नेसेसरी टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज. ग्रामर इज नेसेसरी टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज. सो आफ्टर दैट like when I talked with him, and after realizing that all thing, I realized on myself like I have to face my fear. I have to face my fear, and I have to understand that all thing. I have to face my fear. I have to talk with so many people, and which topic they want to give me, I have to describe. Okay, well, suddenly, and like that time, I'm not capable to describe more than more because I don't know that topics. But I know I'm capable to describe 10 lines, 12 lines. Okay, so मुझे मालूम है, I know like इतना तो मैं कर सकती हूँ डिस्क्राइब. बट यार कितनी बुरी थिंग है, लाइक हम अपने आप को सडनली क्विकली बिल्कुल जज करते हैं, ऐसा जबकि होना नहीं चाहिए. बट वी डू दिस थिंग. हमारी सोसाइटी ने शायद हमें ये सोचने पर मजबूर कर दिया है. शायद मे बी पीपल, not people, like seeing people, we also absorb that thing and like हमने अपने आप में वो चीज़ इतने अंदर तक डीपली में डाल ली है कि हमें ये लगता ही नहीं कि हम वो चीज़ कर पाएंगे. Whenever someone is better than us, so we feel so much fear. We feel like we are not capable to describe anything. That is the biggest and worst thing we have. So that day I decided like I have to face my fear. It doesn't matter like I'm capable and not what other people think about me, what they judge about me. So now I'm going to explore myself. So this is the thing I want to tell you. And मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि जो मिस्टेक्स शायद मेरे साथ हो रही हो, मैं रियलाइज़ कर रही हूँ इस जर्नी पे, जो यानी ये कंटिन्यूसली चल रही है. मेरी 2 years हो गए, मैं इंग्लिश सीख रही हूँ, लर्निंग कर रही हूँ. और जो मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछता है, आई एम टेलिंग दैम, आई एम गिविंग दैम आंसर, सॉल्यूशंस, बिकॉज मैंने वो चीज़ फील की है. आई फील इट, आई ऑब्जर्व इट. सो दैट्स वाई आई वॉन्ट like people understand that thing. People just feel it, and like people understand her and his self, and then after they have to find some solution, like why people are facing this type of issue. So what is the reason behind fear and why fear comes on them, so they have to understand. So just that, this is the thing like I want to tell you. So Baba friend, hope this video really gonna help you. And so if you like my video, so please share, comment and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.